This video was brought to you by Stormberg, a better route planner, MisterGreen, Kempower and Marcus Bil. Launch with D mode 1. Launch number 2 with D mode. Launch number 3 in B mode. Launch number 4 in B mode. We are back home now. Let's take a look at the result. So you see in the acceleration test, it did it in right around 7 seconds, and that's on par with ID3. I guess it depends which ID3, but the Max is a little bit slower because it has heavier wheels and more equipment. But then the Plus or the other lower trims, they have better result. And actually this is summer result. And this is winter. Yeah, this is continental. No, wait, eco-continental. No, that's summer also. Yeah, summer. So this is actually not that bad for winter tire, because we've seen in the past that winter tires tend to get slightly worse acceleration. So yeah, the weight also, you can see head weight is also on par with ID3, actually a little bit more than the ID3 for some reason. So not too much to see there. And then as for noise, it comes here. But then I haven't done many noise tests. Well, I have ID4 over here in winter. Winter is dry, everything, R3, this was R3. And you see that the noise is more or less on par with it, except for the 120 test for some reason. But there are also some variations. I remember in the Cupra Born test, at the 120 test, there were some oncoming cars, and that could create a little spike. So just have to remember that these are real world tests, so there might be slight variation. It's not lab test. But I don't have any ID3s to compare with winter tires, but let's say at least 68.7 decibel average. If you go here to find 68.7, it comes around here, Polestar 2-ish, but you see that the ID3 is here. We have the Max is there, and then ID3 Force is there. So how is the noise level? I think it's quite close to the ID3 here. I don't feel like this is a noisy car, but it's also not that quiet. But yeah, so I guess this is interesting stuff for you guys if you're considering Cupra Born versus ID3 when it comes to noise and comfort and acceleration and so on. Well, actually acceleration maybe not that important. But okay, anyway, I think that's going to be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.